Is your printer spitting out faded or blank pages when you print? Are you getting streaks or missing colors when you print? Printers vary in many ways, and this problem can be caused by a few different things. In this video, I'll show you a few things to check so you can get back to work and print out everything you need. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. I've noticed that only 3% of viewers are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you do that now or I'll have to steal your RAM. When you try to print out pages and you're getting streaks or missing colors on your print jobs, there's a couple things that can cause this. Windows settings should show you your connected printers. You may be able to check ink levels and perform maintenance from these settings. You can check here before moving on, but normally you'll end up using the manufacturer's software to perform maintenance or check ink levels. Usually your printer will have some kind of software where you can check the ink levels of your printer. You can see here on my Canon printer, this shows the ink levels that I have. I also have an HP, and this shows the ink levels here. This app is HP Smart. This is the app that all HP printers use nowadays. If you're unable to check your ink levels with software, you can try looking at the display on your printer. The majority of printers will have a display that you can check ink levels with. If your ink levels are good and you're still getting streaks on your prints, next you'll want to try cleaning your print heads. My Canon software includes this right here. You'll want to do this at least a couple of times to make sure your heads get cleaned well. If your printer has been setting for a while and the ink has dried up, you might have to try a deep clean or running the cleaning several times. The HP Smart app also includes an option to clean the print heads. Again, if you're unable to use the software to clean your print heads, you might have the option for maintenance from your printer display. Go through the settings and see if you can find the option to clean your print heads. The last option for cleaning your print heads is to remove your printer cartridges and clean the heads with a Q-tip or paper towel and IPA. Just be careful not to damage the print head. Before I continue, I want to tell you about my downloadable PDF that I've made for you. This is a free PDF of essential software that you can use for cleaning and maintaining your computer. There's a list of several tools that I use regularly to take care of my computer and customer computers. There's also a really good one here, Hiram's Boot CD, that does a lot more advanced stuff if you're interested. Click the link below to get your free Essential Software Toolkit today. If you have an OfficeJet or a laser printer that uses these types of cartridges as opposed to the normal ink cartridges, with these types of cartridges, you can pull them out of the printer, holding them vertically and shaking them back and forth. They actually have toner in them as opposed to ink. Sometimes the toner is not level across the cartridge. Shaking it back and forth while holding it level will level out the ink in the bottom of the cartridge. Make sure not to flip the cartridge over too much or dump the toner out of it. Finally, there is a slight possibility that your cartridge could be defective. If you have an empty or faulty cartridge, you will have to replace it. After you replace the cartridge, make sure you do a head cleaning and print a test page to make sure everything is working good. To maintain your printer in the future and avoid these types of problems, you should make sure you use your printer regularly to keep the heads from drying up. And keep your printer clean to prevent dust and debris from causing problems. Let me know in the comments what printer problems you have encountered or need help with. If you've enjoyed this video, check out this other one for more tips on how to maintain your electronics and other devices. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.